We're here for the AgForce computer mapping workshops, funded by the Disaster Recovery Funding Arrangement following the 2019 North Queensland monsoon.
We started this project back in July last year with the aim of introduce or educate producers both in the grazing sector and in this case today we're in cane farmers to the importance of mapping their property. So we started right out of Boulia, we've been down to Junda where we've got big large grazing properties. We've then slowly moved to the east, and again we were here last October and December where primarily we have smaller grazing entities and some were mixed commodities, a couple had small cane blocks, and now this current week we're back in the northeast region, so we're really looking at the cane farmers now.
We've got a lot of knowledge on these farms and people are storing a lot of things in their head. So it's that opportunity to get what isn't on paper, down on paper, so that it can be utilised for future generations as well, and then we can pass that information on to the next generation and ensure viability into the future.
When natural disasters occur, and they will happen again, they've got the before shot and they know they can then use it to actually map out the effects or the results of the natural disaster, the damage from the natural disaster, and then it gives them a chance to rebuild. And hopefully with that process, not only are they looking at what happened with this natural disaster, how can we rebuild, but then look at also, well, how can we improve our resilience, knowing there's going to be a natural disaster somewhere else. So it's again about trying to use the mapping to improve their business resilience as well.
I think it'll be really beneficial for the future, definitely. It just helps us to recover a little bit quicker, get back on our feet again.
Hopefully by the end of June that all those we've put through this project will be very close, if not actually have finished their map. And the incentive being is they've got a map in an effective mapping program that allows them to actually start to use it as part of their business management.
It's a challenge, it's a new thing for people to learn, but everybody there's up for the challenge and everybody is enjoying having Noel here to step them through it.
There's never enough tools that we can have to have on our farm, and so you can put all layers on there and have your productivity, your soil types and things like that. So yeah, all different tools that just help us to improve our productivity.
So far from all the feedback's really positive because the aim being, as I said, it's really the first time we've had a model where we're starting with the end goal as a group where we're actually achieving a result where their map's finished and starting to use that.